90% of people who say they can't save money are not broke. They just have zero idea where their money is going. I was one of them. I used to think budgeting was for people who were already rich. Like, why would I make a plan for money I don't even have? But then one month, I checked my bank account and genuinely could not explain where $800 went. That was the day everything changed. Stay till the end, because I'm going to show you the exact system I use step by step. And I promise, if you actually do this, you will feel in control of your money for the first time in your life. Before we start, quick question. Have you ever reached the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? Comment me right now if that's you. Today we're covering the complete beginner's guide to budgeting. No complicated spreadsheets, no financial degree needed. Just a simple, honest system that actually works. Let's get into it. Here's the real reason budgets fail, and it's not what you think. Most people sit down, make this super strict plan, cut out everything fun, and last about 11 days because they're treating budgeting like a punishment, like a diet. But a budget is not about restriction, it's about intention. It's telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The moment I understood this, everything clicked. So let's unlearn the old way and build something that actually fits your real life. Step 1, and this is the most important step, is just knowing your numbers. Get out your phone right now, open your bank app, look at last month, add up the total money that came in and the total money that went out. Most people have never done this, and it is terrifying. But it's also the most freeing thing you will ever do. Write these two numbers down, income, expenses, that's it. That's step 1. Now here's where it gets interesting. We're going to look at those expenses in 3 categories: needs, wants, savings. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. It's a great starting point, but don't stress if your numbers don't match perfectly. We're going for progress, not perfection. Step 2, build your actual budget. And I'm going to make this so simple. Take your monthly income. Let's say it's $2,000. $1,000 goes to needs. Rent, food, bills, transport. $600 goes to wants. Eating out, Netflix, shopping, fun. $400 goes to savings. And this is non-negotiable. Pay yourself first. Now, the key trick that changed my life. Move your savings out of your account on payday. The same day money comes in. Don't wait till the end of the month to see what's left. Because spoiler, nothing will be left. Out of sight, out of mind. It becomes invisible, and it grows. Even if right now you can only save $20 a month. Do it. The habit matters more than the amount. Step 3, tracking. And no, you don't need a fancy app. You can use the Notes app on your phone, a simple Google Sheet, or even a notebook. Every week, not every day, just once a week. Spend 10 minutes reviewing your spending. Ask yourself 3 questions. Did I stay in my categories? Where did I overspend? What will I do differently next week? That's it. 10 minutes. One habit, massive results. After 30 days of this, you will know your money better than you know most people in your life. Here's the thing nobody tells you about budgeting. It doesn't just change your bank account, it changes how you feel about yourself. Because when you're in control of your money, even a little bit, the anxiety goes down, the stress goes down. You stop avoiding checking your balance. You start making decisions from a place of confidence, not fear. And that feeling, that is worth more than any amount of money. Start small, be consistent, and give yourself grace when you slip up. Because you will. Everyone does. The goal isn't a perfect budget. The goal is a life you're not stressed about. So here's your action plan for this week. Number 1, open your bank app and add up last month's spending. Number 2, split it into needs, wants, and savings. Number 3, move even a tiny amount to savings on your next payday. That's it. 3 steps. Do those and you're already ahead of 90% of people. If this video helped you, drop a comment telling me one thing you're going to change about your money this month. I rate every single one. Like this video if you want more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.